How to add photos to Amazon Photos. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add photos to Amazon Photos. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your App Store and download Amazon Photos. You can get it on your App Store or Google Play Store. After you download the app, you can open it up. After you open it up, just log in into your Amazon account, and after you do that, tap on your profile icon on the top right, or you can tap on save manually here as well. I'll tap on my profile for now and tap on settings on the top right corner. There you'll see upload photos manually. Tap on it, and from here you can select the photo that you want to upload. After you select the photos, tap on upload and it should start uploading your photo. You can head back and you can wait for a bit until it finishes uploading, and that's basically how you upload photos on Amazon Photos. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.